In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk move issues in Jira. If you've ever needed to move a large group of tickets from one project to another, or update issue types across multiple items at once, doing it one issue at a time can take forever. The good news is that Jira has a built-in bulk move option that makes this process much faster, as long as you know where to find it and how to review each setting carefully. To get started, open Jira in your web browser and sign in to your Atlassian account if needed. Once you're on the main Jira homepage, go to the top navigation area and open Filters or Issues, depending on the version of Jira you're using. From there, choose Advanced Issue Search, or Search for Issues. This is where you'll gather the exact set of tickets you want to move. When the search screen opens, switch into JQL mode if it isn't already enabled. JQL lets you narrow down your results with much more precision than a basic search. Enter a query that matches the issues you want to move, such as tickets from a specific project or a certain status, and then run the search. Take a moment here to review the results carefully because the next actions will apply to every issue you include. Once your list looks correct, go to the upper right area of the search results and click the three-dot menu. In that menu, choose Bulk Change All Issues. This opens Jira's Bulk Change Wizard, which will guide you through the process. On the first screen, select the issues you want to include. You can use the top checkbox to select everything in the current results, or manually choose specific issues if you only want part of the list. Click Next, then scroll through the available actions and choose Move Issues. After that, click Next again. Now you'll define where the issues are going. On the Project and Issue Type screen, choose the destination project and map each issue type to the correct new type if Jira asks you to. Then continue to the next screen, where you may need to map old statuses to new ones. This is important because the destination project may use a different workflow. If Jira prompts you to complete any required custom fields, fill those in before moving on. Finally, review the confirmation screen closely. Make sure the target project, issue types, statuses, and any required field updates all look correct. When everything matches your intent, click Confirm or Move to complete the bulk move. Jira will then